Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 3 most incredible motorhome campers in the world, the kind of machines that redefine travel, turning every road into a red carpet. Number 3, the BYD Motorhome 2026. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a bold statement about the future of travel. From the moment you set eyes on it, the sleek aerodynamic bodywork and flowing design lines tell you this is no ordinary motorhome. The glossy finish, modern LED light signatures, and flush-mounted accents give it the kind of visual presence usually reserved for high-end electric SUVs, but stretched into a mobile luxury suite. Underneath its striking design is BYD's advanced electric platform, delivering whisper-quiet performance with the kind of torque that makes highway cruising effortless. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures stability whether you're gliding through city streets or tackling winding mountain passes. And with BYD's next-generation battery technology, you're looking at an impressive range, enough to handle cross-country trips with fewer charging stops, and fast charging capability that gets you back on the road in record time. Step inside and the luxury becomes undeniable. The entrance welcomes you with soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and a subtle scent of premium craftsmanship. The spacious lounge area is designed like a modern penthouse, with plush leather seating that can recline, swivel, and even extend for full relaxation. The panoramic windows bring in natural light during the day and give you breathtaking views at night, turning every park location into a private luxury resort. The kitchen area is compact yet fully equipped, featuring induction cooking, a hidden sink, premium countertop finishes, and smart storage solutions that make use of every inch of space. Whether it's a quick coffee in the morning or a full dinner for 4, this motorhome makes cooking on the road effortless. The bedroom is a private sanctuary, separated from the living space with an elegant sliding door. The queen-sized bed is memory foam with climate-regulating bedding, ensuring restful sleep after long drives. Built-in reading lights, integrated USB-C ports, and concealed storage make it both cozy and functional. The bathroom feels more like a boutique hotel suite, with a rainfall shower, a modern vanity, and eco-friendly fixtures that save water without compromising comfort. The entire space is climate-controlled with BYD's advanced smart climate system, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer without wasting energy. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout. A central control hub lets you adjust lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even window shades with a single touch, or through voice commands. The onboard infotainment system syncs with all your devices, and a high-speed satellite internet option keeps you connected even in the most remote locations. Safety has not been overlooked. The 2026 BYD Motorhome comes with advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and an emergency braking system that works in all weather conditions. It's peace of mind packaged into a luxury lifestyle. Number 2, the Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome is the definition of elegance in motion, a masterpiece that combines German engineering precision with the comfort of a 5-star suite on wheels. From the very first glance, its design commands respect. The signature Mercedes grille, bold LED headlights, and flowing aerodynamic silhouette make it as stunning parked at a scenic viewpoint as it is gliding down the highway. Every curve has been shaped with purpose. Chrome accents dance with the sunlight, and the paint finish, deep, rich, and flawless, reflects the surrounding world like a rolling piece of art. It's a motorhome that doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. Underneath its beauty lies serious performance. Powered by a refined, high-torque diesel hybrid or an advanced all-electric drivetrain option, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome delivers smooth acceleration, whisper-quiet cruising, and remarkable fuel efficiency for its size. Adaptive air suspension ensures the ride feels like you're floating. Whether you're on a winding coastal road or crossing a rugged mountain pass, step inside, and the experience shifts from admiration to pure indulgence. The entrance greets you with warm ambient lighting, rich wood veneers, and premium leather that feels like it belongs in a luxury yacht. The open-plan lounge features plush captain's chairs that swivel, recline, and adjust to perfection, alongside an L-shaped sofa designed for both comfort and conversation. Panoramic windows frame the world outside, turning every stop into a living postcard. By day, Natural light floods the cabin. By night, a soft golden glow creates an atmosphere of calm and intimacy. Every detail has been considered: hidden storage compartments, USB-C charging ports, touch-sensitive controls, and materials chosen not just for durability, but for their tactile pleasure. The kitchen is a culinary dream. A seamless induction cooktop, full-sized refrigerator, and premium quartz counters turn meal prep into an experience. Soft close cabinetry hides utensils and cookware, while a concealed wine cooler ensures you're always ready for a toast. At the rear, the master bedroom is a sanctuary on wheels. A king-size memory foam bed, wrapped in luxury linens, invites deep, restorative sleep. Side reading lamps, privacy blinds, and sound insulation make it a world of its own, peaceful, private, and utterly relaxing. The bathroom rivals that of boutique hotels. A rainfall shower with temperature memory, a backlit mirror, and high-end fixtures redefine what's possible in a mobile living space. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout. The central touchscreen command hub controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and security, while smart voice commands offer hands-free convenience. The 2026 model even includes augmented reality navigation projected onto the windshield, making every route feel effortless. Safety is uncompromised. Mercedes-Benz's latest driver assistance suite includes adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering this luxury giant as easy as parking a Number 1. Mercedes-AMG Motorhome 2026. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG Motorhome is more than a luxury vehicle, it's an uncompromising statement of power, style, and engineering brilliance. This isn't your typical road trip companion. It's the roar of AMG performance meeting the refinement of a world-class residence, sculpted into one jaw-dropping machine. From the first glance, it's impossible to ignore. The signature AMG Panamericana grille glistens with chrome, flanked by aggressive LED headlamps that pierce through the dark like the eyes of a predator. The aerodynamic body is carved with purpose, sleek side lines, deep air intakes, and a stance that hints at its athletic heart. Blacked-out trim and 22-inch forged AMG wheels complete the image of a rolling powerhouse, equally at home on the Autobahn or a cliffside coastal road. But this machine isn't just about looking fast, it is fast. Beneath the hood, you have AMG's meticulously tuned high-output hybrid powertrain, delivering a staggering amount of torque for a vehicle of its size. Acceleration is smooth yet ferocious, turning long stretches of highway into thrilling runs of pure driving pleasure. AMG Ride Control suspension adapts instantly to changing surfaces, keeping the ride both precise and impossibly comfortable. Step inside, and the performance edge gives way to serene, opulent living. The cabin greets you with AMG embossed Nappa leather, Alcantara headliners, and carbon fiber inlays that remind you this is no ordinary motorhome. Ambient lighting runs along the contours of the interior, customizable in 64 colors to match your mood, whether that's relaxed elegance or high-energy road trip adrenaline. The lounge is built for both comfort and entertainment. Heated and cooled captain's chairs swivel to face a plush sectional sofa, while a massive Ultra HD smart display folds seamlessly into the wall when not in use. Burmester 3D surround sound turns the space into a private concert hall, delivering crystal-clear music that makes every stop feel like a personal event. The kitchen takes gourmet travel to the next level. Stainless steel appliances, a full induction cooking range, a built-in espresso machine, and a dual-zone wine cooler stand ready for any culinary ambition. The stone countertops glisten under soft, recessed lighting, while smart storage solutions make the space feel endless. At the rear, the master suite is a sanctuary that blends AMG sport design cues with serene comfort. A king-size bed with memory foam and performance-inspired stitching sits under a panoramic skylight, perfect for stargazing before drifting off to sleep. Side closets and a hidden digital safe keep valuables secure, while noise-insulated walls ensure a peaceful night, no matter where you're parked. The bathroom is pure indulgence: heated floors, rainfall shower, touchless fixtures, and a backlit mirror that automatically adjusts brightness to suit the time of day. Technology flows through the entire motorhome like a living nervous system. The AMG Smart Command Hub, accessible via touchscreen or voice, lets you control lighting, climate, security, entertainment, and even vehicle diagnostics. For those who believe travel should be as thrilling as it is comfortable, this is the ultimate expression of freedom. Like, share, and subscribe, because there's a world of machines like this waiting to be explored.